The Carbcolords A4 DTF Printer is an impressive high-speed transfer machine designed for producing vibrant, durable prints on DIY t-shirts and other materials. Make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to get this printer at the latest price available. Featuring a razor-sharp, high-resolution output, it ensures every design is crisp and perfectly transferred, making it ideal for professional and hobbyist users alike. Its space-saving design with an integrated ink tank allows it to fit neatly in any workspace, combining functionality with a sleek, modern aesthetic. A standout feature of this printer is its innovative white ink mixing system, which guarantees smooth, consistent ink flow without the risk of clogging or settling, thus maintaining the highest print quality at all times. This system ensures that white ink, often tricky to handle, remains vibrant and evenly distributed across each print. Coupled with the powerful XP600 printhead, the Carbcolords A4 achieves printing speeds that are up to 200% faster than conventional DTF printers, significantly increasing production efficiency without sacrificing detail. Prints produced by this machine are vivid and long-lasting, boasting brilliant colors and crisp patterns that resist fading over time, allowing your custom creations to maintain their eye-catching appeal for years. The printer comes in a comprehensive package that includes everything needed to get started: the A4 DTF printer itself, a drying oven, USB software compatible with Windows, film rolls, DTF powder, cotton swabs, a white ink device, a user manual, and more. This all-in-one kit is thoughtfully assembled to ensure users have every essential tool for smooth operation from the outset. Customer support is a priority with Carbcolords, as they provide continuous after-sales assistance to ensure any questions or technical issues can be promptly addressed. It's important to note that for safe shipping, the ink and DTF powder are delivered separately, protecting the product during transit. Overall, the Carbcolords A4 DTF printer combines cutting-edge technology, speed, and convenience, making it a valuable asset for anyone looking to create high-quality, personalized garments quickly and efficiently.